Assalamu alaikum guys, today I'm making biryani, chicken biryani for the first time ever in Pakistan for my in-laws. I'm actually nervous, I don't know how it's going to turn out. I just hope it turns out really good. So fingers crossed. It looks really good and the smell and the aroma is so good guys. Honestly, I cannot wait to eat this, honestly. If you're enjoying my short mini vlogs guys, do give it a thumbs up and do not forget to follow me.